Wagwan, what's great? Chef here John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make Jamaican carrot juice. Yeah, man, I hate.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
On a Sunday afternoon, you know my father, the man don't know no Kool-Aid, you know. Mommy have to make some soursop juice, some peanut punch, or some carrot juice. So without further delay, forward, let me show you how I'm going. So the first thing you want to do is to cut each carrot into about 3 pieces, alright? So now that these are cut up, it's time for me to add this in my oyster juicer. $12 ounces of that juice, natural. You feel me I say? So you see all this good stuff right here. We're not gonna throw this out. Stay tuned for the next video and you'll see exactly what I use the remainder of the carrot to make. So the first thing we're gonna add to our extracted carrot juice is some vanilla bean paste. And this is 100% stronger than the vanilla extract. This is coming straight from the vanilla bean, so you know this is very flavorful. We only need ½ teaspoon, and I'm going to show you precisely what it looks like. That's what the vanilla bean looks like. Mix that out. And ½ teaspoon of grated nutmeg. ¼ teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and of course some real nephew white rum, man. And this is a 63% alcohol content, so you want to be careful with this. White rum off it in everything down. I'm just gonna go in with 1 ounce, cause we don't want to drunk off nobody, you know. Guinness, and that's 4.2% alcohol. We're gonna go in with ½ cup of that Guinness. You know the thing, go man. Supplement is a Jamaican Caribbean thing, you know what I say? And for those overseas who may not be able to get the supplement, you can substitute this for nutriment. I'm gonna go in with 1 box of this supplement, which is 250 milliliters, which is equivalent to a cup. And last but not least, some condensed milk. I'm going to go in with ½ a cup. And that will give me the exact taste that I'm looking for. And we just mix all of that together. So for the best taste, chill in your fridge for up to 1 hour before serving. Or you can serve that over crushed ice. So this oyster juicer gives me the perfect blend of juice without any residue left behind. I didn't even have to strain this, and if you want to know how to get that purchase, don't worry yourself. I'll link those below so you can check those out at your convenience. This comes like dessert in its own right, so if you love carrot juice, you know my name, Hot Chef. Drop a bag of flame in the comment and say up! Why? Yeah, tell him. I kick off that white rum. Guinness, of course. Just omit the Guinness and the white rum if I go get the kids. I just give them the regular carrot juice. In another video, I'll show you how I get that done. And there you have it, how to prepare the real Jamaican carrot juice here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and pick up on yourself.
Let me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.